the points in it. What percent does he say spend on, and we're not Keller Williams agents, absolutely not. Well, what percent does he say spend on marketing? You guys know? Lance? Yes. 400 units a year, you know? 10%. 10%. That's it, 10%. What do agents actually spend on marketing and lead generation? 30, 40%. So, but you guys know who Chris Heller is? Okay, so one of the things that Chris did great with his team in San Diego, we coached some of the people that were doing it for him, Aaron Simons and some other people, is they prospected every day. So if you have teams, if you have staff, if you have a business or a brokerage right now that's dependent on providing buyer leads to your agents, and that's been your USP, your unique selling proposition to get agents to join your brokerage, maybe it's time to pivot and focus them on learning how to go after listings.
Tim and Julie, I follow the podcast religiously. They were honest, they were straightforward, and quite frankly, they told me the things that I didn't want to hear, that there was no easy button, that I actually had to do work, I had to implement systems. And since then, my career has taken off.
I've been a client of Tim and Julie Harris Real Estate Coaching for about 5 months now, and during this time I've seen an increase in number of transactions and average sale price, highest in my career so far as a real estate agent. I can't say enough great things about their organization, and I highly recommend them.
And I'm just here to tell you today that if you are new to the business, or maybe you have been doing this for over 20 years and you just want to take your game to a whole nother level, Tim and Julie Harris coaching program is right for you. It will change your life.
It's my opinion that Tim and Julie Harris have the very best coaches in the real estate business. I highly recommend them to you. And I believe that if you call them and allow them to work with you and custom design a program to help grow your business, you will be very glad that you did.
Invest in yourself. Consider using a coach like Tim and Julie Harris and their coaches underneath them, because I guarantee you it's not what your broker's teaching, and it's not what all of those other coaches are teaching. It's unique, it's special, and it's personal. Invest in yourself and you will see the results.
Schedule your free coaching call now at freecoachingcallsforagents.com or visit us online at timandjulieharris.com.